Number 11 is a geometry question. We're working with area and perimeter. For a math homework assignment, Carla found the area and perimeter of a room of her house. She reported that the area of her rectangular living room is 180 square feet and that the perimeter is 54 feet. When drawing a sketch of her living room the next day, she realized that she had forgotten to write down the dimensions of the room. What are the dimensions of Carla's living room in feet? So the area is 180 square feet and the perimeter is 54 feet. Now the area we get by doing length times width, and the perimeter we get by doing 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. So if we have a rectangle, the perimeter is this side, we'll call that length, width, width. So it's 2 L's and 2 W's. Now what we can do here is back solve. Let's take 12 by 15. So let's say this is 12, 12, 15, 15. Does that equal 54? Well, 12 plus 12 is 24. 15 plus 15 is 30. That is 54. So the perimeter works for answer choice C. Now the area is length times width. The question is 12 times 15 equal to 180? And if you plug it in your calculator, you'll see that it indeed is 180. This also matches, so the answer is C. So you can see how back solving gets you to the answer fairly quickly. Number 12, this is a statistics and probability question. We're dealing with counting techniques. Carrie's chocolate shop and Tamika's treat shop both sell candy in boxes. The table below lists the price, the total amount the customer pays of each box of candy sold at the shops. For each shop, there is a linear relationship between the price of a box of candies and the number of candies in that box. These are the only numbers of candies that can be purchased at the shops. Now the question asks, Jeremy has $10 in quarters to spend on candy. What is the maximum number of quarters he would have left after paying for a box of 25 candies at Tamika's treat shop? What we're going to do here is back solve. And whenever we're back solving with a question that asks for the maximum number, we're actually not going to start in the middle. We're going to start at the maximum answer choice. So we're going to start with 30. If he has $10 in quarters to spend on candy and he buys a box of 25 candies at Tamika's, 25 candies at Tamika's is $4.25. And if all he had were quarters, how many quarters would he have left? Would he have 30 left? What we would do here is multiply 30 by 0.25. That's $7.50. Would he have $7.50 if he were to have bought the treats for $4.25? If the total that he had in the beginning was $10, that's way too much. This is not going to be your answer. So we're going to try 23. So if he had 23, we'll multiply that by 0.25. That's $5.75. We'll add the 4.25 and we get $10. So this is our answer. Number 13 is an integrating essential skills question. We're dealing with averages. At Tamika's treat shop, what is the average price per candy in a box of 20 to the nearest penny? We first look at the 20 candies per box. Then we go to the price at Tamika's treat shop. That's $3.75 for 20 pieces of candy. And we're talking about price per candy. So that's going to be price per candy. Price per candy, which comes out to 0.1875, which rounds to 19 cents per candy. The answer is B. Number 14 is a function question. This is about linear equations. Which of the following equations gives the relationship between the price in dollars C and the number of candies N in a box of candies at Carrie's chocolate shop? Remember, it says here that there is a linear relationship between the price of a box of candies and the number of candies, meaning we can express this relationship with slope-intercept form, or y equals mx plus b. If you look at the answer choices, they are all in slope-intercept form. C is your y and n is your x. So all we have to do is take one of these ordered pairs, plug them into each of the answer choices, and see which one works. Now, usually, if you choose that first one, it'll work from multiple answer choices. So what I do is I avoid the first one and I go somewhere else. I'll try 10. 10 and $2.50. So what we're going to do is plug in 10 into our n's and see if we get 250 for our C. and we'll just go all the way down. F, 0.2 times 10 plus 0.5. 0.2 times 10 is 2. 2 plus 0.5 is 2.5. This one works. It'll probably be our answer, but let's check the others. 0.3 times 10 is 3. 3 is not 2.5. That is not our answer. 0.5 times 10 is 5. Adding a 1.5 is not going to give us 2.5. This is not our answer. 10 minus 3.5, which is 6.5. Again, not our answer. And then K says 1.4 times 10, which is 14, minus 5.5, which will be 8.5. That is not our answer. Our answer here is F. Number 15 is an algebra question. We're solving quadratic equations. Which of the following is a solution to the equation x squared minus 36x equals 0? This is a fairly easy question. The first thing we're going to do is put 36 onto the other side. X squared equals 36x. And here we're going to divide by x, because that will get rid of the x here. All we have left is x on the left-hand side and 36 on the other. This is our answer, B. I could have also factored out the x. That would have been x and x minus 36 equals 0. That means x equals 0 and x minus 36 equals 0, which means that x equals 36. So here either x equals 0 or x equals 36, but x equals 0 is not an option, so the answer is 36B. Thanks for watching. For all the latest videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also find us at justiceprep.com or like us on Facebook and Instagram.